Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a few questions that come today, and I get there from time to time, about buying, a laptop or a tablet PC or a desktop or even a mini PC. We've got so many choices today. And, is there one better than the other? And there used to be a time in the past when buying something powerful meant you just purchased a desktop and, of course, had a separate screen and keyboard and mouse and all of that because that was where the power was. And to some extent, there's still some truth in here, but that will mostly go into people that really need extreme power. Gamers might go there. And also the fact that desktops can be modified. You can change parts, you can upgrade it. So there's still a subset of users that love the desktop for that reason. And a lot of PC enthusiasts like those for that reason. Honestly, as we move on in time, the difference in power with laptops, tablets versus desktops is less and less there. Yes, it is, and absolutely you can have a very powerful desktop, but you now have gaming laptops that are actually very powerful. And for the average user, honestly, it doesn't really matter anymore because most form factors of PCs, be it a mini PC, a laptop, a tablet, or a desktop, it all comes down to actually what you want. Do you want something that takes less space? Do you want something you can, bring with you everywhere? The laptop form has, of course, won the market today for a simple reason. It's smaller. It's easy to bring along anywhere at home. You want to bring it with you somewhere else, you can actually take your, laptop with you. These are all things that make it kind of a nice form factor. And today's laptops are powerful, so there's no need to worry about it. And just keep the subset of users that really want to tinker and have something that they can drive the power to the max and modify all the time. These are more in the enthusiast form today. Most people will buy a laptop. And honestly, I haven't used a desktop PC in ages here. I don't see the need for it. My gaming laptop, which I have, is very powerful, runs the latest games. And yes, the difference is that when the GPU, the graphics processor of my laptop, won't be supported, there's nothing I can do about it. On a desktop, yeah, you might be able to change it to something more powerful and the latest technology and graphics, but still you'll even have to upgrade that desktop one day with other stuff. So for the average user, because a lot of what we do here is for the average user, just buy what suits your needs personally. A lot of asked, what do I use? Well, I actually have in the latest years adopted the mini PC form factor a lot. Why do I like it? It's small, it's a little brick. It's a little square thing. It doesn't take a lot of space. And I've actually adopted that because now you can buy a really big screen. So for example, here in the office where I make videos, I've got a 50-inch. That 50-inch is running on a mini PC. This is the one I'm making the video on right now. And it's, powerful enough to do what I want, to do the videos, to run Windows 11. And it actually you can buy even more expensive mini PCs that are even more powerful. But they are small and they can connect to your smart TV. They can connect to any big screen TV just through an HDMI cable. I like that form factor personally. This is not a gaming PC. I'm not going to play games on this. It's not a super powerful PC. I'm not going to do heavy stuff on this. But for what I want to do, YouTube videos, and tutorials, stuff like that, and a few other things that are related to radio amateur. You know what? I'm fine. It works and does what I want perfectly fine at the speed I want. And I have a laptop, which is the gaming laptop. And the gaming laptop, well, it's great for that. It's a laptop. I can bring it everywhere. It's easy. It has the keyboard. And I also have another mini PC on another screen. And my form factor, as I will go forward, even when my gaming laptop will be, to a point where it won't be much of a gaming machine anymore, I will be looking at, maybe there are out there actually, and I've seen many of them, gaming mini PCs now. So I might actually even jump on that bandwagon rather than buy a physical laptop. It all goes with the space you have, how you want to use it, and what you're going to do with it, basically. So, I don't think you got to worry today about what's best between all of these machines. It will really, really be depending on what you use it for. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.